For a while, I thought I'm in New Zealand. Beautiful. Look at the landscape, though. I was walking, and I come across this. So I thought it's some birdies or snake. Look at this view, man. Look at this. So beautiful. Now I know why they call it English Garden. Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to my new vlog. Today I'm at this beautiful park, Taman Srijana Hijau Putrajaya. It's about like 20 minutes away from Kuala Lumpur. One of the most beautiful and peaceful place. I'm not kidding. For a while I thought I'm in a woods somewhere, but it's a very, very well developed, clean and peaceful park in Kuala Lumpur. I want to explore it more. They just opened it. I think this is one of the new place. So that's the reason I'm here. It's so beautiful, I'm not joking. It's very beautiful. God. It's so peaceful, it's so nice. And look at the pathway there though. Like, it's a huge place to explore, and it's just 20 minutes away from Kuala Lumpur. All you need to pay is just your car park, and that's it. No ticket required. So many places in Malaysia, but this park I literally like, I love the most. And the reason is why, because this place literally reminds of my hometown. You know what I'm saying? This exactly look like my hometown. If you're my subscriber, you can just look at the videos. The new videos that when I posted on YouTube, it's exactly like my hometown. The difference is that I was there in December, there was snow, and here it's like no snow. But this place, 10 out of 10. I just came up to the hill and now I'm going down, just kind of like circle down one and another. Oh, they got nursery. Let me show you something. Damn, look at these sunflowers. Aren't they look beautiful? Gosh, look at this. Okay, they have the whole nursery up here, which is closed now, I guess. But I wish they were open so I can go in and explore more and I can show you guys as well, but they are closed. I came up to that hill and now we're going down this way. All through they have like a small mini road which gonna goes all the way down. So let's take a walk and see what we can find on the way. Supposed to go down there, but somebody told me if you go up like somewhere there's a few gardens, so I'm just gonna explore what kind of gardens they are. So yeah, let's go. So now I'm climbing up and let's see what's there. God, look at this, man. This is like a Japanese garden. Check it out. Let's walk in. Look at this beautiful path though, I'm not joking. Check this out. Damn, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. There's a small structure there. I'm gonna look at that. And let me show you. Oh, that's the one. Oh, that's the one there. Look at that. Damn. You should visit if you live in Kuala Lumpur. You should visit it. And look at that. Let me show you. This is where the park is, and look at the town down there. That's a town, Putrajaya. That's a town. Damn. And there's so many places to explore, like so much to explore. I don't know where to start it and where to finish it. But yep, We're at the Japanese garden now, and now we're gonna see other part of the park and see what we can find there. Guys, I was walking and I come across this, so I thought it's some birdies or snake, you know what I'm saying? But do you know what it is? Let me show you. This is stone. Somebody threw a stone here out of nowhere, like here. Are you kidding me? This is stone. I was like, don't know, is this an egg or something? When I say this park is huge, trust me, it's huge. Can you see that mountain? On top of that, there's one more garden. And that's the walkway, as you can see. So it goes all the way up, take a round, and go on top of that. Check this view. Tell me this is not New Zealand. Gosh. For a while, I thought I'm in New Zealand. Beautiful. Look at the landscape though. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Gosh, can't believe it, man. This is Malaysia. Check this out. Gosh. God damn. Yo, this place is literally remind me of New Zealand. Anyways, we're done here. I really enjoyed. Now let's go ahead and see what we got. Check this out. Literally, it's make me think that I'm in New Zealand. But look at that, so beautiful. Nice. Just the weather is a little hot. Plus everything is good. I'm gonna go and look for one beautiful garden though. I'm so confused where it is, but I'm just gonna check it out. It's like literally humongous. And somehow I was looking for one of the European garden and I end up back to my car park. It's beauty, man. Damn. This is the English garden. Look at this. Damn. Check this out. Now I know why they call it English garden. Check this out. Okay. And there's some bench, and this used to be a mailbox. So that's why this is an English garden. You know what I'm saying? I walk all the way this much for that though. I really enjoy myself, but the thing is that it's very, very hot. Look at this view, man. Look at this. So beautiful. So beautiful. And this is Malaysia for your information, you know what I'm saying? It's that damn hot though. I'm gonna go take a round, and if I come across some different thing on the way, I will share with you guys. If not, I'm gonna go down to my car, I'm gonna blast my aircon, and I'm gonna straight go for food. There's a lot of vending machine, even one is right there, but they only accept notes. Guess what I found? This machine does accept Visa card, so I'm gonna have something to eat and something to drink. That's all about it. I didn't find anything different than I just parked, so I'm gonna wrap my vlog here. Hope you like this vlog. If you do like it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have a great weekend. Take care of yourself. Bye bye. Tata.